Most drivers assume auto care centers are expensive, complicated, or only for major repairs. That assumption often leads people to delay basic maintenance until it becomes a bigger problem. Here's the truth no one tells you. The Walmart Auto Care Center is designed for simple, affordable car maintenance, but most people don't know everything it actually offers. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly what services Walmart Auto Care Center provides in 2026, how it works, what you can expect during a visit, and the mistakes to avoid that could slow you down. Let's start with the basics. Walmart Auto Care Centers are service stations located in, or near, Walmart stores. They focus on essential vehicle maintenance services rather than complex mechanical repairs. Now here's where it gets interesting. The goal is speed and convenience. You can shop while your car is being serviced, which is why many people choose it for routine maintenance instead of traditional auto shops. So step 1 is understanding the core services. Most Walmart Auto Care Centers offer oil changes, tire installation, battery replacement, windshield wiper installation, and basic tire services like rotation and balancing. Step 2 is checking availability. Not every Walmart location has a full auto care center. Some stores offer limited services, so you need to check your local store before you go. But here's the problem most people run into. They assume every Walmart can handle any car issue. Then they show up expecting full repairs and realize only basic services are available. Step 3 is choosing your service. Oil changes are one of the most common options. They typically include filter replacement and basic fluid checks. Tire services are also popular, especially for rotations and flat tire replacements. Now here's a helpful example. Imagine Jake goes in for a routine oil change and tire rotation. He drops off his car, shops for groceries, and picks it up within a couple of hours. That convenience is the main appeal. Step 4 is checking in at the auto care desk. You provide your vehicle details, select your service, and get an estimated completion time. Some locations may require appointments depending on demand. Step 5 is waiting or shopping while your car is serviced. Many customers use this time to shop inside Walmart, which makes the process efficient compared to waiting in a traditional auto shop. Now here is an important detail most people miss. Walmart Auto Care Centers usually focus on maintenance, not diagnostics or major engine repairs. If your vehicle has serious mechanical issues, you will likely need a specialized mechanic. Also remember that pricing is generally competitive, but it can vary by location and service type. Always confirm the total cost before approving the work. So, to wrap it up, Walmart Auto Care Center services in 2026 include oil changes, tire care, batteries, and basic maintenance, all designed for convenience and affordability. If this helped you understand it clearly, like the video, comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns like this.